The world is now the home of two revolutionary all-electric super trucks, the GMC HUMMER EV pickup and the GMC HUMMER EV SUV. In this video, we will discuss the SUV model first. For the pickup model we will discuss in the next video. GMC HUMMER EV SUV combines many of the features of the pickup with the versatility of an SUV. Like everything GMC HUMMER EV, the cabins were designed for a unique combination of innovation and convenience. So no matter how rugged the great outdoors gets, inside GMC HUMMER EV pickup and SUV, you'll enjoy every moment. High-def screens, the 12.3-inch diagonal color driver information center display, and the center-mounted 13.4 diagonal color touchscreen position customizable data, settings and controls within the driver's convenient reach and optimal line of sight. Power e-trunk, stow the modular sky panels or other gear in the Power e-trunk trademark. SUV storage. HUMMER EV SUV's cavernous cargo area includes rear flat folding seats, a cargo floor that lifts for underfloor concealed storage room for the standard dual-level charge cord, the infinity roof's front eye-bar and more. There's a large storage compartment on the driver's side rear quarter panel, cargo tie-downs, and a 110-volt power outlet. And the rubber floor contains the Sea of Tranquility design pattern seen throughout. Lunar Shadow Interior. The available Lunar Shadow interior in jet black and taupe casts a dark appearance and is complemented by tech bronze accents. Durable all-weather flooring adds visual and practical appeal. Lunar Horizon Interior. Intergalactic travel and otherworldly landscapes inspire the available Lunar Horizon-themed interior in jet black and light gray. Discover tech bronze accents, durable all-weather flooring and more. Off-road dominance. Elements of the HUMMER EV pickup and the HUMMER EV SUV are engineered to overcome tough off-pavement obstacles. Crab Walk on SUV. Crab Walk is a revolutionary available setting utilizing HUMMER EV's available four-wheel steer. Its rear wheels can turn up to 10 degrees in either direction to drive diagonally at low speeds, helping it to traverse tight trails with a capability that no other competitive SUV is expected to offer. Extract mode. Need to get over or out of a tough spot? Need extra height? Initiate the available first-of-its-kind extract mode, and HUMMER EV activates its adaptive air ride suspension to raise approximately 6-inch to surmount tough obstacles. Think traversing boulders or fording water. Ultravision. Available Ultravision, with up to 18 camera views on pickup and 17 on SUV, including standard HD surround vision, includes waterproof underbody forward and rear-facing cameras for real-time views of the terrain to help you pick the best line along the trail. A washer function and replaceable lens protectors help you see clearly. Using multiple cameras to display a digital overhead image of the area around HUMMER EV, HD surround vision allows you to maneuver off-road and navigate tight spaces when traveling at low speeds. Specially engineered 35-inch tires. It all starts with a towering ground clearance made possible by specially engineered 35 Goodyear registered Wrangler Territory tires for an optimal balance of on- and off-road performance. Extreme OFF road capability. Off-road dominance is engineered into every aspect of HUMMER EV. Standard independent front and rear suspensions will enable remarkable off-pavement handling and highway comfort, while available front e-lockers and virtual rear lockers. Full underbody armor, utilizing sturdy steel plates and shields around the differential and battery pack. Available full underbody armor. Four-wheel steer. HUMMER EV is engineered to command precision in every driving situation. Available four-wheel steer helps reduce turning radius and enables nimble maneuverability, similar to a compact sedan, whether rock crawling on the trail or pulling into a parking spot. And the already tight turning radius of the pickup is tightened further with the shorter wheelbase of HUMMER EV SUV by approximately 9-inch, enabling off-road a tighter turn circle of 24 nimble maneuvers in close quarters. Dynamic suspension. Available adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts HUMMER EV's ride height for different conditions, lower for better aerodynamics and easier entry and exit, and 2-inch higher for improved ground clearance. And available continuous damping adaptive ride control. Revolutionary design. HUMMER EV design elements are infused with signature cues, from distinctive front lighting, a low turret roof profile, an upright windshield, and unique tail lamps. Power rear drop glass. Along with the available transparent sky panels, the power rear drop glass brings the outside into the HUMMER EV cabin with the touch of a button. Power swing gate SUV. The swing gate opens on the left, and the rear drop glass opens for easy driver access and ample room to secure and conceal gear with underfloor storage. Moonshot green matte paint finish. A revolutionary super truck deserves a color that reflects the substance under its skin rather than merely its surroundings. Moonshot green matte is exclusive to SUV Edition 1. Immersive. Infinity roof with modular sky panels. This is what Zero Limits looks like. The industry-leading infinity roof and available transparent sky panels create an immersive open-air experience. Let the world in by removing the 4 panels and the front I-bar and lowering the power rear drop glass. Bose registered audio system. The Bose 14-speaker audio system featuring center point registered with the electric vehicle sound enhancement (EVSE) system creates a multisensory experience designed specifically for the Hummer EV cabins. Next level tech and design. It may be quiet, but Hummer EV's revolutionary technologies and unmistakable design speak loudly. Super Cruise trademark. Offering the latest version of Super Cruise, Hummer EV with driver assistance technology for hands-free driving and automatic lane changing works on more than 200,000 miles of compatible roads and growing. All Hummer EV vehicles will include a 3-year subscription. Reagan On Demand trademark. Reagan On Demand and one-pedal driving offer full control of the electric driving experience.